We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT for research effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the ChatGPT website on your desktop. Once you're there, you'll need to log in or create an account if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll see a chat interface where you can start typing your queries. When you're ready to begin your research, think about the specific topic or question you want to explore. Type your research query in clear and concise language. For example, if you're researching climate change, you might type, "Explain the impact of climate change on polar ice caps." The system will generate a detailed response based on the latest information it has been trained on. You can then refine your search by asking follow-up questions to get more specific details. For instance, you can ask, "What are the recent studies on polar ice melting?" Or, "How does this impact sea levels?" Remember to use keywords and phrases that are directly related to your research topic to get the most relevant information. If you need to gather different viewpoints or more in-depth analysis, you can ask ChatGPT to summarize academic papers or articles by typing, "Summarize the main findings of the study on polar ice and sea level rise." This can help you quickly understand complex material. It's also useful to save or copy the responses for later reference. You can do this by highlighting the text and pasting it into a document. This way, you can organize your research notes effectively. Keep in mind that while ChatGPT is a powerful tool, it's always good to verify the information using additional sources when possible. This ensures the accuracy and credibility of your research. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.